Good morning, Sir Cesar. I am here in front of you to demonstrate the core competency of housekeeping, which is laundry, linen, and dish cloth. I will separate the white and colored linen to avoid discoloration. And then I will check the pocket if there's any valuable things. If there's any valuable things, I will report it immediately to the lost and found section. Since there's isn't any valuable things, I will not check the clothes if there's any damage. If there's any damage, I will inform immediately. I will inform the guest immediately. And now I will weight the scale and the weighting scale. So it weighs 0.695. So our unit price is 240. So the total price will be 166 pesos. And now I will introduce you the parts of washing machine. First is the wire and socket, water inlet bulb, water supply hose, and water drain hose. And this is the control panel, the cover, handle, the top, filter, and spinning wheel. And this is the detergent box and softener box. This is the body, and the base. And now I will show you how to operate the washing machine. But first, let's check the wire and cord if there's any rat bite. If there's any rat bite, to avoid electrocution or shock. And then check the top if there's any foreign object to. If there's any foreign object to avoid further damage to the washing machine. Since we're good to go, we'll now put the clothes in the washing machine. So to start the washing machine, I'll just simply press the power button, water level, wash, quick, and start. In case of electric outage, you can just simply perform the 7 parts of hand washing. First is flush, second is sludge, third is bleach, fourth is rinse, and fifth is soak in sour step, and sixth is extract, and lastly is break and dry. So now I will introduce the other chemicals that we're going to use. The first is the bar soap, powder soap, and liquid soap. And then we have our white bleach and colored bleach. We also have our softener.